the second lap is always my favorite. That's because we actually do the roval, so we will be doing the road course.
Yeah.
So of course we have to hit this chicane right here. You can probably tell now why I love my job. I still cannot believe they pay me to do this. I'm just glad I don't have to pay for the tires though. Now normally there would be a wall going up right there. The cars would go in right here and then they would go out on the other side of that Musco light. Now where we're gonna enter is where the cars would enter from the pits. So not as often as you would think, but still a pretty good amount.
Yeah.
Probably tell I have a lot of practice, huh?
Yeah.
Right here we have our Circle K. It's going to be your best spot to get food or drinks. They charge the same price as every other Circle K. Unlike our Hungry Howie's, our concession stand, it's going to run you about $5 for a water bottle. Now when we had our roval event, it's 2.28 miles. We have 17 turns and over 35 feet in elevation change. Now the cars would normally go down here. They would take a left and get back onto the track. But we're actually going to go this way right now. Now this is another way that we can configure the roval. We actually have 7 different ways that we can configure the roval. But we're not using this area for one of the configurations. This area is known as Redneck Hill. It's the other campground I was telling you guys about where there is lots of booze and it is limited on children. They say you can show up here with no money, no food, no alcohol, and you will leave drunk and full. Still broke, but drunk and full. You can see to the left we have all of our camping.